how to spend it, cause I feel me money. Independent gal, real number one trending gal. Now fi check when me spending gal. Have me one house.
Good morning, guys. So yesterday you guys saw that I went to go get my nails done, and today I woke up, we got ready. Me and my aunt are about to go to Linstead. She's gonna go buy her father some dress pants so he could wear for an event that is occurring on Saturday. Maybe you guys will know what that event is if I decide to put that on the vlog or not. But yeah, and what? These like past few days, I've been like waking up like at 7, 6:30 and like getting ready and stuff because we're always going out on the road early. And I'm like exhausted. When I'm at home, I like don't wake up until like 10, 11 o'clock. And like I'm waking up so early down here and I'm exhausted. But yes, I'm dressed. I have on this little 2-piece. And I'm probably gonna have someone video it. But yeah. Guys, my skin is like so horrible. I'm like have so many bites, like it's ridiculous, and I don't know where I got them from. Like look, all these little bites, and like all up on my legs. I don't know how these bugs or insects like got there, but like my skin is like ridiculous and it's so itchy. I put on bug spray and it doesn't do anything. But yeah, we're gonna go to the Linstead and do road, and I'll video it while I'm there. All right, so we're at my aunt's land, and this is her material, because next week she's gonna deck the rooftop. So here's the sand, and I'm standing up in it right now. And here's how the house looks so far. So this is the progress since we left in January, and it actually came far. So now next week she's gonna deck the top to have the rooftop and everything. But yeah, now I'm in this gravel on top and I don't know how to get back down. I'm afraid. Oh God, I feel like me I go shit. Oh, how am I gonna get over here, Bob? I can't matter. Look at all these obstacles I have to go through just to reach up this. Jamaica. Then country life here. I don't know, for me, I should be like a tone girl. Fuck. I may have on slippers. I need sneakers for this. And then my sneakers, I'm gonna go mash up. Because they're nice sneakers. So. I love this. The pillar. This is veranda. In the vlog with the decking and the rooftop, I'm gonna give you guys like a tour of the house. I don't want to do it now. I want to save it for that vlog especially. Yeah. So I'll see you guys when I'm in Linstead. Alright, now we are some breadfruit. Nice. And right now we're at my aunt's land. The house that's building. Alright, so I came from Spanish Town and now I'm at a restaurant about to eat some food. I got oxtail with rice and peas and pasta. I want orange box drinks. It did hot, so they had to put ice in it and then on the straw. And I forgot to drink it, so. And I don't know how I'm going to do that. I just finished eating and like what took me like 5 minutes. And look, see me going them suck off and done and no rice in my plate. Boy. It was very, very good. The best oxtail I've had. Otherwise, like from like home cooking, it tastes good. Like nice, tender, full of spice and seasoning. How's your food, Boom Boom?
It's okay.
It's okay.
I can cook better.
Oh, you could cook better?
Yeah.
Alright, so right now I'm at this little venue. They're keeping like this little girl's birthday party and she doesn't have or know anyone. So since we're here, we're just gonna hear and show support, although you guys can't probably hear me right now. So today my aunt got a call from WAF saying that her barrel has reached. She packed the barrel with like some food and some equipment for the house that she's building. So she got the call, so we're on our way to Tone, Kingston, Jamaica right now to get the barrel and clear it. Everything. And it's sun ton up. I don't have on any makeup because I heard WAF is like very crowded and hectic and sweaty and stuff, so I didn't want to put on good clothes, like good looking clothes I should say, or you know, I put on like a full face of makeup because I'm just gonna like get sweaty and, you know, nasty. So I just have on like a pink tank top with some shorts, and yeah, so when I go to WAF I'm gonna try to video that so you guys can see. I never been to WAF before. I never experienced clearing a barrel or what goes on in those places, so when I'm there I would video and you guys will see. Guys, I don't know if you guys ever tried this, but it's like the Minute Maid pineapple. They do not have this. Not foreign. Come on Jamaica and try this, and oh my god, it tastes so good, and it's so refreshing. Like, especially when it's nice and cool. So good. Guys, me that Tone now, and the hot. I drink one bag juice. Tastes so good. What you say, Black cost me with what? Real hot gal in Jamaica and drink bag juice. Well, me not hot. I mean, I'm a bad girl. Me have money now, so I can't buy bag juice. I have to make it myself. With a syrup on it. What is it? Syrup and water, and you put it on a suck, yeah. They are so good. After three. Good vehicle. It got off, and my aunt went to go pay the first money that she had to pay, but she couldn't collect it right away because this heifer forgot her TRN at foreign. How the heck you forget your TRN at foreign, boo boo? And y'all come on Jamaica. So now we at the tax administration office in Kingston, Jamaica, and she's gonna go get a copy of her TRN, and I'm gonna apply for one because I mean I am a Jamaican, not by birth but by blood. So I figure I should have a TRN. It's essential if I ever think about doing stuff down here, you know. And here we are. What's this called? What's this called? Anyway, we here, and this is like a beautiful view. A nice beach, ocean over there, so restaurant. And guys, one little boy just come to me. I was like, miss, you can't get $100 to buy something to eat. So I'm just giving $500 and done. Like, I don't know. I mean, it's not much, but it's better than something. I just love helping people. And worse, it was like a little boy too. It's so sweet. And you know, God bless me, so we're just doing out of the kindness of my heart. Alright guys, so my aunt was the only one who could be able to go into the IWAF to get the stuff. Mind you, me and her names are both on the document, but I guess because my back is open and her back was like open too, they wouldn't allow us in there. So she put on someone else's shirt, and then obviously I was gonna go out and buy myself another shirt, but then the security guard was like, oh yeah, because I couldn't wear the other person's shirt because I'm too big and I'm gonna bust the shirt. So I'm gonna say you feel about dog shit. And then when he was like, what you said? I'm gonna say you feel about dog shit. If you ever see a piece of security guard people, and then he was like, you know what, it's alright, you can't nobody come in there. So I just walked out, so now my aunt is the only one in here. And I'm kinda mad because I actually wanted to like go inside and see how it looked or whatever, but how is that fair? The security guard come diss me and I diss him back, and now he mad and he won't let me back in here. It made me sick, I swear. Now I'm hot. So I'm about to sit in the car with the AC and then wait until my aunt gets through. So yeah, I had to let you guys know. Like, I don't want you guys to think that I forgot to vlog inside of the WAF or whatnot, but no. I couldn't get in there because I'm this security guard after he dissed me. But that's not fair. Y'all gonna call me big on fat. And when I say you feel about dog shit, y'all gonna get mad. That don't make no sense. And he had no right to do that. Although I know Jamaican people like, you know, they talking true, but me talking true too. You say me big on fat and you feel about dog shit. So simple as that. So this is warehouse people. I see Barrel here. And I actually made it in because her passport, our name was like totally different, and I put my name on it, so I had to get back.
Only 5 years. I one time she and I will him come here, me, isn't it? By Japanese. No, everything. No, it's a polite. I am men there and I am men.
Oh, you need them piles. Oh,
That's disgusting.
And then one of them short.
We're telling us to put onion in a barrel. Just throw it away. Yes, throw it away. Disgusting.
That's not good, man. I thought that was supposed to take them. Onion.
Oh, look on the island butter. What's that excited?
This one is cooked noodle crush up. This stinks bad.
A barrel stink.
You have to go wash it out with soap. Look at this. Why you put cup soup in that sitting? It's not cooked. It can't use.
Why can't it use?
You're disgusting.
Oh, you're disgusting.
People, a video could have smelled it. Oh no, that runway. It stinks. Who the hell put onion in a suitcase? I'm gonna tell her now.
Cheap.
I know you're being cheap. How much a pound for onion in a supermarket? How much?
I don't know.
I mean, it was a good deal though. It was like for the case, the bag of onion was like $5.
£10 for like $2.
10.
I'm heavy, yeah. And them other girl no